Good evening, ma'am. How are you? Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, ma'am. I miss you. And today is your special day, so are you having fun? So, I always remember you, mano, kanang every time na nako'y problems, ako ha, nako'y problem. You know when to call and you always pray for us, although layo kay kasama, but then you always show how you love us. And then you're always there for us, even though you're not physically there, but then you want to be connected with us, to us, no? With us. You want to be connected sa amua, even though layo kay ta. One thing did you know ko ma-forget sa ibuha is, you told me, pag naay manguyab na ako, ingnan ta ka. Ingnan ko na ka, nga kung naay manguyab di mo na ka, i-share lang sa ko amang na ka, di lagi ko masuko na, anak ka. So, pag ani na ako sa Philippines, naay nanguyab na ako, and I told you, mana, goy nanguyab na ako. And then, the thing that, ang imong gihimo, ngano na may nanguyab nimo ha, anon sa di ka dira ah. O sa di imuhang purpose niya na ka dira sa Pilipinas. Oh, pero I still love you, ma. I really, really love you. And another thing, kanang nagkasakit ka diri sa balay because di ka panghinlo sa balay. And then you took care of us. So, in the future, it will be our time to take care of you. So, ayaw pa badlong o kanang mga ano ha. Don't worry, ilaagyapon ka na ako sa mga malls. Even though nagkiang-kiang na ka. I love you, ma. Mua, 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 mua.